Yes, but the versus. Back, it dies.
3. Walang go again.
4, look at top. Plus 5. Ito. This is 4, 9.
1 cardinal.
1 card.
Five.
Pass reactions.
Okay.
Take 4.
Take 4.
Asya.
Yun nga, that's why I'm getting that shit. Kailangan ko lang dyan yung one of guard. Si your aim.
Kasi dice.
Pero ang break kasi niyan, kasi ang marami mong grade 3, sa marami mong grade 5. Just like what I said. Yeah,
Four go again.
you can use that sa mga guys kasi Astralea din siya. Pero pag ginagawa mo sa 0, hindi ka even call it yung kasi grade 5. May ano siya, wala siyang grade 5.
Lakmor.
Magandang shield yun.
Four go again.
No blocks, reaction. Take 4.
3 go again. Ang next kong tiger, may plus 1.
No blocks, reaction. Take 3.
3.
Reaction. 3.
Ito yung draconic starter.
Mga overflow 3.
Meron ba? 10.
Go. Then, no blocks.
Yung mga dudes talaga
Take
nag-fire.
10.
Ano? 7K sa fire. That's why you don't sell. Mukha si Gab. Castle pa lang talaga yung break. Lost his stride eh. Kaya, wala sila na lang.
1 go again.
Sit in draconic starter.
Draconic starter.
May on-hit ba? Or
Wala. Yung next kong draconic attack, may plus 1.
sige na nga, sa'yo.
Tama, tama. Correct, correct, correct. Nakita ko ang embodiment, tapos tiger. Ay, hindi embodiment.
Tiger na may plus 2.
Tiger na may plus. 2 gold.
No blocks, reaction. Ito. Pag may pang-apat.
Display loyal. If you control 2 or more draconic chain links, which is ito, tas ito, create akong field. Tapos, may plus 1 siya galing sa Tenet Strike 4.
Kasi ito blow on.
Meron, kasi 2 or more draconic changes. May go again. No, pwede yan. 4 na yan. Pwede na yan.
Lock on.
Block 1.
Take 3.
Sige, take 3. Lodge set. Pick a resource. Play ka. Fire that burns within. Holding cryo sa trigger nito. Activate ko na 5. Kasi meron akong 1, 2, 3. So add ko yung Phoenix Flame. Tapos resolve ko yung fire that burns within. So when this attacks, discard ako ng Phoenix Flame. And then my plus 2 siya and draw card. 4 go.
Hindi ko na fine.
Okay. Display loyalty. Go again. Let's create akong feat. So, go.
No block.
Sige. Or go again. Wala na.
Same lang naman down to 1. Hindi ka din.
Okay, kung nag-block ka.
Oh.
Wala, binibait out ko talaga yung mga ano,
Yeah.
yung maliliit na attack for the battle. Take 1, down to 1.
So head lang yung buhay.
Yung buhay niya. Ito strings oras. May libreng pump na walang reprise. Wala naman natin.
Wala.
Hindi ko lang sigurado. Ito pa kakayanan. Ang nag-react.
Pwede 4. Pag nag-hit, score for score. Down to 2. May pump na free! Walang pump na free!
Walang pump na
Hindi
free.
ka assassin! Sa assassin lang yun! Sige, no blocks. Take a war. Boots?
Wala man ako pang pitch.
Mali mo, may zero cost attack. Sabi mo dun sa last video, di natin alam kung zero cost attack. Eh, di pa pala uploaded. Mamaya, bukas pa pala yung ano. Bukas pa nakaschedule. Two.
Magbabayad na ako ba?
Only happens to me na
Ito, yung tatlong draconic starter. Magkakadikit.
No choice. No blocks.
Ah! 5. Kasi nag-yellow felling. Yellow felling.